Hey guys, and welcome back to UTry. I'm Asia.
I'm Charlie.
And today we're trying
cooking.
Today we're here with Dan. And Dan, can you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, my name is Dan Schultz, and I have my master's in clinical nutrition. I've been at UTD for about 2 years as the sole dietitian, and today I'm going to show these two how to make easy meals in the dorm.
All right, Dan, so what's the plan? What are we making today?
Today we're going to make overnight oats. Many things can go into overnight oats, but it's usually about the same. It's going to be milk, it's going to be obviously your oats, it's going to be Greek yogurt usually, some honey or any other type of sweetener such as maple syrup or sugar. There's also going to be vanilla in there, and then usually for some extra fiber we want chia seeds in there. You can add all sorts of different types of fruits, you can add all sorts of different types of other nuts or seeds as well. If you're meal prepping and you know you're going to be on the go for lunch, you can meal prep the night before. Put them in there. If you already have a breakfast figured out and you don't have a lunch figured out, then grab that for lunch and you're on your way.
Perfect, so it's quick and easy and like interchangeable.
Absolutely. So we already have the oats and the chia seeds pre-portioned. It's usually about a half a cup of oats and about a tablespoon of chia seeds. And for tablespoons, if you don't have one at home, it's usually just a spoon. So if you just have a spoon, a regular kitchen spoon, you can scoop it up and put it right into your mix. And then also we are using Greek yogurt over here, vanilla, honey, and but we just need to add the milk. So if you can do the honors for me, can we add a half a cup of milk, please? Okay, so to our mason jar, or whatever jar you prefer, we're gonna add our dry ingredients first, which is gonna be our chia seeds and our oatmeal.
Make sure you do this somewhere where you can make a mess. So a kitchen is preferred, not your bathroom.
We'll add our wet ingredients next. Now all we're gonna do is mix it.
Looks good.
So the chia seeds are gonna be really hard at first. So the reason that we put the liquids in there is so the chia seeds can absorb it, and then we put them in the refrigerator. Well, they'll get soft, and then you will have to wait about 2 hours or overnight. Okay, so it's been about 2 hours. Why don't you go give it a taste?
Right.
It even really tastes like the yogurt and everything.
Yeah. Do you see how the chia seeds actually absorb some of that liquid?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
They're different consistency because they're not as like
Hard.
Yeah.
Yep, you got it. And you, like I said, you can top that with fruits, nuts, peanut butter even. A lot of people do it in a lot of different ways, chocolate chips. So you can make it fun or you can make it pretty basic, whatever you want.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you want to make this at home, feel free to watch this video back.
Thank you, Dan, for showing us how to make the overnight oats.
Absolutely, I hope you enjoyed it.
Bye guys, enjoy your snacks.